Someone just talked about this crazy shit, and so I went to look it up, and apparently there's this cartoon here. Kobe Bryant's death, him dying in a helicopter crash in his cartoon. 3 years, or a couple years before it happened. Apparently it's one of those Illuminati predictive programming things. Chamberlain Heights cartoon. That's crazy. We'll play it.
Oh, it's Kobe Bryant. Help me. Just pass me the trophies and we'll pull you out. Pass. These were Shaq.
Huh, there's this other video too. Huh, isn't that crazy? I don't want to show the full video, obviously. But isn't that something?
Oh, it's Kobe Bryant. Help me. Just pass me the trophies and we'll pull you out. Pass.
Yeah.
These were Shaq.
Those were Shaq's anyways. Well, you know, Shaq is a Freemason. He was bragging on ESPN, showing off his Masonic ring in one video. Yep, I just wanted to share that. Interestingly, I went to the search engine here just to type Kobe Bryant death predicted in cartoon. Seems like they are trying to hide it quite a bit. Like, this isn't the first thing that pops up in the video. You have to be very specific when you're looking for this video or to see this. So it seems like they really want to hide this from people. But anyway, I just wanted to show that. Take it easy.